This is the #1 mistake women make with men. In the beginning of dating, most women want to test a man. They want to see if he will text them, if he will take them out, if he will send them flowers. And when he ticks the boxes of the checklist that woman has on her mind with what she thinks she needs from that man, she will want to proceed with commitment. But once they are together in a committed relationship, she will try to change him. Because when it comes to relationships, all women have a vision, and that vision is based on the potential they see in that man. And women make this mistake because decisions about relationships are based on emotions. And then a woman gets disappointed in her relationship because for so long she's been trying to control this man and to mold him into the man she wants him to be, until she finally gives up because she realizes that you cannot change a man. What a man in a relationship needs most is that his woman accepts him for who he is and for what he can give her. A man becomes what you see in him. Because let's say lately he hasn't been helping out at all at home. He hasn't bought you any gift and he hasn't made any effort to take you out on a date. It hurts you, so you tell him, because all you can think of is the things he hasn't been doing lately. But when you focus on the negative, that's exactly what you'll get more of. Because now he gets the message that you don't believe in him. And that not only deflates his ego, it also makes him more passive. Because how can he prove his worth to a woman who doesn't accept him? So what you should do instead, if you want him to be more proactive, pursue your man with words of affirmation and stop telling him what he is not. Talk to him about the good you see in him. He calls his parents, you tell him that this is exactly the reason why you fell in love with him, because he knows how to show respect towards the people who raised him. He gets up on Sunday morning to take the dog out in the rain. Instead of dismissing this action because it's something you do all the time anyway and nobody seems to thank you for it, stop seeing yourself as his competition. You get compliments every day from coworkers, your girlfriends, your parents, your hairdresser. You have a whole support system around you, but he only has you. And if you want him to be a better man, then tell him what he does right and he will become that man, because now he is inspired to prove to you that you are right about him. A man who's not that interested in you will text you and he will probably call you. And maybe he will even take you out every now and then. He's doing all the right steps, but you still feel insecure. And that's because you don't trust your gut feeling. Because you're right, he's not that interested in you. Because he texts, he calls, and he takes you out when it's convenient for him. And everything a man does for you that's easy for him means that he doesn't have deep feelings. He texts you late at night. That's because he has nothing better to do. The day is over. He's lying in bed. He's killing time. You are literally entertaining him. And I'm sure he likes you, but he only takes you out when he's done with everything else that was important to him. So be careful to whom you give your energy, because a man who's really interested in you will go through trouble to be able to see you. He has a full schedule, but he will still make sure that the only free time he has, he will devote it to having a date with you. And even if he's exhausted at night from his work, he will still call you just to hear your voice, to connect with you. Because a man who's really interested in you wants to make sure that you know that he wants to be with you.